What we aim to is to give a flawless stay for the guests from the moment they arrive until the moment they leave the hotel. Before we started to install the Aquablu water fountains, we provided plastic water bottles, 2 per room. We have in total 294 guest rooms, so you know what that means. On a yearly basis, it's a lot of plastic bottles. To give you an idea, it were more than 40,000 water bottles on a year. And then I'm only speaking about the water bottles. When we were still putting the plastic water bottles in the rooms, it was a lot of work. We need to place the order. The company needs to transport the water bottles to our hotel. We need to receive the goods and bring it to the different floor levels. That is a gain of time and effort, definitely. We have fountains now on the ground floor and on each guest room floor. Instead of course, the plastic bottle in the room, he can choose different flavors, he can choose sparkling or still water. More and more, we will receive positive feedback. We had last week a guest who told us, wow, this is really a gain in terms of plastic, saving the planet and not using all these plastic bottles anymore. The new generation, if I may say, our younger guests, for them it is a habit. I mean, they come already in with a kind of a jar or a bottle to fill themselves. They don't buy the plastic bottles anymore. It was a very smooth process, which is important for us. And I need to say as well that we are very happy with the maintenance as well, with how the fountains work. If I need to resume the experience with Aquablu in one sentence, I would say I would definitely do it again.